In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sales tax in FreshBooks. First, open FreshBooks in your browser and log into your account. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop or laptop so the full navigation is visible. You'll need permission to edit account settings. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need an admin to grant access. Once you're on the dashboard, take a breath. We'll be done in just a couple of minutes. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and choose Settings. This is the control center for your account preferences, billing details, and taxes. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it to reveal the full menu. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Tax and Financial Information. This is where your business location, currency, and tax configuration live. Make sure the country and region shown match where you're required to collect tax, since FreshBooks will follow those rules when you apply taxes on invoices and estimates. Now it's time to set up your tax rate. In the Tax and Financial Information area, add a new tax and give it a clear name, like sales tax, VAT, or GST, whatever applies in your jurisdiction. Enter the exact percentage rate provided by your tax authority, including decimals if needed. For example, 7.25 instead of just 7. Choose any options that describe how the tax behaves in your region, such as whether it's compounded with another tax, or whether prices you enter are tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive. If you sell in more than one province, state, or country, create a separate tax entry for each rate so you can pick the correct one per client or line item. Before you wrap up, review the spelling, the percentage, and any toggles so that what you see matches your official rate sheet. When everything looks right, save your changes. FreshBooks will store these tax settings and make them available as you create invoices, estimates, and recurring templates. When you invoice, you'll see these taxes as options for line items, and the system will calculate the totals for you automatically. That's all there is to it. You went from the dashboard to Settings, opened Tax and Financial Information, added your sales tax, and saved. If your tax authority updates rates periodically, set a reminder to revisit this page and make adjustments so your invoices stay compliant. And if you're ever unsure about the correct rate or configuration, consult a qualified accounting professional to keep everything accurate and up to date.